Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact identifiers that link you to the education record. This speeds up retrieval. Make sure you have a government photo ID, the student's full legal name, and birth date. Once done, pull together school details, school name, province or territory, and any old student numbers or transcripts, because systems often match multiple fields. This prevents mismatches and delays. If you're acting for someone else, prepare signed consent or power of attorney documentation before you proceed to look up steps. Now reach out to the authoritative source, the school registrar or district records office, not social sites. Explain clearly who you are and why you need the student PEN, and provide the verified ID details you prepared. The office will search their database. Once they locate the record, they can confirm the PEN or guide you to the provincial registry. Make sure to request an official confirmation method, such as a stamped letter, secure email, or direct system lookup instructions, to avoid later disputes. Finish by verifying the issued PEN against the student's legal name, birth date, and school record to avoid future errors. If the number doesn't match, ask the registrar to correct data or escalate to the provincial student registry. Provide supporting documents like birth certificates or transcripts. Once you have the correct PEN, record it securely and note the confirmation source. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit a dead end, escalate to the provincial registry with documented correspondence. This forces formal review and typically resolves hidden data conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.